Okay, so first thing you need to do is go into Microsoft Publisher and open a brand new file. So then you're gonna go to page design and you're gonna go to margins and you're gonna do none. After you select none, you're gonna go up to insert, you're gonna go to shapes and you're gonna click on the rectangle. And you can create any size rectangle. You're gonna double click on it. And then over here where the measurements box is for the height, you're gonna put 3. And for the width, you're gonna put 9.5. And keep in mind that this Pringles label is for the Pringles can 1.3 ounce. It can actually fit the 1.3 and the 1.4 ounce cans, but make sure you're picking up the 1.3 ounce and or 1.4 ounce cans. So again, in the measurements box, you're gonna put 3 inches for the height and 9.5 inches for the width. Now, what I like to do is I like to create one label first, and then once I'm done with creating that one label, then I'll duplicate it to fit 2 on the same page. So first thing I'm going to do is I am going to go to the shape outline, and I am going to change it. Actually, I'm going to keep it at black. So the outline is going to be black, and for the fill, I am going to put, this is a TikTok theme party, so I'm gonna do like a, let's do like a turquoise and see how that looks. Maybe a little bit, no. Okay, let's do this color for the TikTok. And then initially what I like to do is I like to go onto Google and I like to look for all of my PNGs that I want to put in here. So I already did that already. So go into Google, whatever your web browser is, look for the picture that you want to use and save it into a folder. I already did that. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to insert and I'm going to go to pictures and I'm going to look for a barcode, birthday barcode. So I'm going to use this happy birthday barcode and I'm going to go over here to arrange and I'm going to flip it. And I'll make it a little bit smaller. And then I'm going to go to insert and I'm going to go to shapes. And I'm going to create a box that's a little bit bigger than my barcode box, about that size. Then I'm gonna go up to fill and I'm gonna do like a pink color to match my theme. So let's do this one. And for the shape outline, I'm gonna do no outline. And then here, I'm going to do send backward. And now my happy birthday barcode is in front of my pink box. Now I'm going to go to insert and I'm going to go to pictures and I'm going to look for one of my TikTok theme images. And let's just go with this one. Okay, this one didn't do a transparent background like I wanted it to. So what you can do here is actually go to this website called Remove Background. You can also do this in Canva, but it's easier for me to just do it in remove background. So I'm going to remove background. And then do upload image. Then it removed my background. So now I'm going to download the new image. Okay, now you can see that that background has been removed, and I'm just gonna put this like right here. I kind of don't like the way that looks, so I'm gonna leave this down here for now. Maybe I'll use it for something else. Let me go back up here to my images, and let's just try this one. Okay, yeah, let's just use this one. I'm gonna make this image a little bit smaller. All right, so now I'm gonna go into insert, and I'm gonna go to word art, and I'm just gonna pick the word style that I want, and then let's just go with let me type in J's. And I'm gonna put that up here. And I'm gonna change the shape like this. And then for the fill, I'm gonna do the pink, and then for the outline, I am going to do, actually, for the fill, I'm gonna go to gradient, and I'm gonna do this gradient. So here where they have the white, I'm just gonna change that to the turquoise that I have. And then for the outline, I'm gonna change it to black. And then I'm going to go back up to insert, and I'm going to go to not pictures. I'm going to go to word art. I'm just going to write 14th. I'm going to change this to the same thing with the gradient. It's going to have the same colors. So the green, and where's my pink? We're going to remove this one, and we're going to change this to white. And then I'm just gonna copy this and then paste it. I'm gonna edit the text to say birthday. And I'm also gonna change the shape. And I'm gonna put that down here. And it doesn't fit, so I'm gonna have to make this smaller. All right, so now that I am done with personalizing it, I'm gonna go here, go to insert, and I'm gonna look for a birthday nutritional facts. Birthday boy, birthday. Okay. So I enter my nutritional fact label, and I'm just gonna put it over here and resize it so that it fits. Delete this. Okay, so now that I have my label designed the way I want it to look, I'm just going to highlight the entire label, and then I'm going to go up here to group, and then I'm going to select it, I'm going to hit copy, I'm going to come down here and I'm going to hit paste. And now you have two labels on one page. Super easy process. You can personalize these the way you want to. Obviously, I just did something super quick to show you guys how it's done. So that's basically how you do the label. If you have any more questions, feel free to comment down below, and I'll answer them as soon as possible. Thank you for watching my video, and have a great day.